Iran is the 18th largest country in the world, with an area of 1,648,195 square kilometers, 636,372 square miles. Its area roughly equals that of the United Kingdom, France, Spain, and Germany combined, or somewhat more than the U.S. state of Alaska. Iran lies between latitudes 24 degrees and 40 degrees N, and longitudes 44 degrees and 64 degrees E. Its borders are with Azerbaijan, 611 kilometers, 380 miles, with Azerbaijan Nakhchivan 179 kilometers, 111 miles, 115, and Armenia, 35 kilometers, 22 miles, to the northwest, the Caspian Sea to the north, Turkmenistan, 992 kilometers, 616 miles, to the northeast, Pakistan, 909 kilometers, 565 miles, and Afghanistan, 936 kilometers, 582 miles, to the east, Turkey, 499 kilometers, 310 miles, and Iraq, 1,458 kilometers, 906 miles, to the west, and finally the waters of the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman to the south. Iran consists of the Iranian plateau with the exception of the coasts of the Caspian Sea and Khuzestan province. It is one of the world's most mountainous countries, its landscape dominated by rugged mountain ranges that separate the various basins or plateaux from one another. The populous western part is the most mountainous, with ranges such as the Caucasus, Zagros and Alborz mountains. The last contains Iran's highest point, Mount Damavand at 5,610 meters, 18,406 feet, which is also the highest mountain on the Eurasian landmass west of the Hindu Kush. The northern part of Iran is covered by dense rainforests called Shamal or the jungles of Iran. The eastern part consists mostly of desert basins such as the Dashti Kavir, Iran's largest desert, in the north-central portion of the country, and the Dasht-e-Eilat, in the east, as well as some salt lakes. This is because the mountain ranges are too high for rain clouds to reach these regions. The only large plains are found along the coast of the Caspian Sea and at the northern end of the Persian Gulf, where Iran borders the mouth of the Arvand River. Smaller, discontinuous plains are found along the remaining coast of the Persian Gulf, the Strait of Hormuz and the Gulf of Oman.